to the Rio Cancun. Here's my view. There's an adult pool down there that I don't know if you can see. But this is just one of the beautiful wall-to-wall windows when you first come in. Oh, we'll get to that later for sure. And then they have a nice little picture and place you can put your luggage and your shoes if you like. If you're accustomed to the Rio, you know they usually stock the mini bars here with the many different liquids. But because of COVID, they don't do it. However, oh yeah, see that? Yeah, that's called a mariachi. And it has like 4 liquors in it with everything. Tons of water. Oh yeah, that's that juice down there is this is a specialty drink. I couldn't do it last night. But this is guava punch. You're talking about delicious. Yeah, I got it plain because I have my own special line tequila. The silver is the best. Honduras. And then you get, you know, sodas. You got 7-Up, Sprite, Pepsi. this is a better view of the Rio Hotel itself. It's pretty huge. I think that's the family tower over there. And I am in the adult tower. Okay. And also I said I wanted to show you the adult pool. That's the adult pool right there. It's all off to itself, and you could just have a good old adult time. So back over here, there is a seating area, 2 chairs, and as you can see, I already have my bathing suit cooling. So there's racks to let all your stuff dry, and this nice panoramic window. You got. A little bit of the grounds. There's so many pools here. There's one here, one there. There's the adult pool, and there's another one that I don't quite know when that one is. But then again, you get a picture of the river in the back there, and then that's a little bit more of the Rio. Okay. This pool right here. Oh man, it's usually popping. Do you hear me? You can hear the music from there. And over there in the corner where you see the palm trees, back over here, it's a little restaurant over there. It's delicious, and it's right off the water, so you get those views. You've probably already seen the pictures. And then that's the island. I don't know. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. But that is the island of Isla Maharis. Okay, I'm going to take a little tour to that island tomorrow. But yes, plenty of room. All the room you want, all the privacy you want, all the fun you want. Here at the Rio. And you know, this is not a sponsored video by the Rio. However, I always stay in Rio, so just call me the Rio girl. I am a Rio girl for sure. other pools. This is a loud pool. This the pool with the bar in it. That's the one I will not be getting in. Yesterday it was, today it's okay, but yesterday it was packed with people, and I'm like, no. And then there's the bar.